What if I told you there's one simple habit that can help you regain the muscle strength you had in your 40s? And no, it's not lifting heavy weights or spending hours in the gym. Seniors over 60 are seeing incredible results, and today I'll show you how. As we age, muscle loss sneaks up on us. One day, getting up from a chair feels effortless. The next, it's a struggle. But here's the good news. You can stop this decline and even reverse it with a simple daily habit. Welcome to Better Aging Advice for Elderly, where we share science-backed tips to help you stay strong, energetic, and independent. If you want to keep your body strong and your mind sharp, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And stick around, because later I'll reveal a surprising mistake most seniors make that secretly weakens muscles even faster. Avoiding this could make all the difference. Let's dive in. Have you ever noticed how climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? Or how carrying groceries leaves you more fatigued than before? It's not just aging, it's muscle loss. And here's the surprising part. This process starts as early as 40. This gradual decline is called sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. It happens for a few key reasons. 1. Hormonal changes. As we age, our bodies produce less growth hormone and testosterone, both essential for muscle maintenance. 2. Reduced activity. Many people naturally slow down as they age. Sitting more and moving less accelerates muscle loss. 3. Nutrient deficiency. Muscles need protein and key nutrients to stay strong, but as we age, appetite changes, and many seniors unknowingly consume less of what their muscles need. 4. Nerve and muscle connection declines. Over time, our brain's ability to communicate with muscles weakens, making movement feel harder. The result? By the time we hit 60 or 70, muscle loss can make everyday tasks, like standing up, lifting objects, or walking long distances, feel exhausting. At first, it's subtle. You might feel a little weaker, a little slower, but without action, this loss of strength can lead to serious problems. Weaker muscles mean weaker joints. This increases the risk of arthritis and joint pain. Loss of balance. Muscle weakness is one of the biggest reasons seniors experience falls, which can lead to fractures or hospital stays. Faster metabolism decline. Muscles help burn calories, so when we lose muscle, we often gain weight, especially in the belly area. Loss of independence. When movement becomes difficult, people stop doing activities they love, leading to a decline in confidence, mood, and overall health. Sarcopenia isn't permanent. You can stop and even reverse muscle loss with just one simple habit. Studies show that even seniors in their 80s and 90s can regain muscle strength, mobility, and confidence with the right approach. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes a day. No intense workouts, no heavy lifting. Just a simple, doable habit that can transform how you feel. In just a moment, I'll reveal exactly what this habit is and why so many seniors are seeing incredible results from it. Stay tuned. So what's the one habit that can stop muscle loss and even help you regain strength? It's called the resistance training. Now, before you picture heavy weights and intense gym workouts, let me stop you right there. You don't need a gym. You don't need big, intimidating equipment. In fact, you can do this right at home with just your body weight or light resistance like water bottles or resistance bands. Muscles work on a use it or lose it principle. The reason we lose muscle as we age isn't just because we're getting older. It's because we stop challenging our muscles. Think about it. When you were younger, you were naturally more active. You walked more, lifted things without hesitation, and engaged in movements that kept your muscles strong. But as time goes on, many of us slow down. The result? Muscles weaken, balance gets shaky, and everyday movements become harder. But here's the exciting part. Just 10 minutes of resistance-based movement per day can stop and even reverse this process. Research shows that even seniors in their 70s, 80s and beyond can regrow muscle and regain strength with simple resistance exercises. What makes resistance training so powerful? 1. It activates muscle fibers. Unlike walking or cardio, which mainly benefit endurance, resistance movements force muscles to engage, strengthening them over time. 2. It boosts metabolism. Muscle burns more calories than fat, so strengthening muscles helps keep your metabolism active, even when resting. 3. It improves bone density. Stronger muscles mean stronger bones, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. 4. It increases stability and balance. Many falls in older adults happen due to weak leg and core muscles. Resistance training helps keep you steady and confident. 5. It's low impact and safe. Unlike high-impact activities, resistance training can be modified for any fitness level, making it perfect for seniors. You don't need to lift heavy weights or do complicated routines. In fact, some of the best resistance exercises require nothing but your body weight or light resistance tools. Chair squats help strengthen leg muscles and improve balance. Wall push-ups, a great way to build upper body strength without straining joints. Resistance band exercises, gentle yet effective for maintaining flexibility and strength. And here's the best part. You can do these movements in just a few minutes a day. Consistency beats intensity. Even small efforts done daily create massive improvements over time. Now you might be wondering, how do you start safely and effectively? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step in just a moment. Stay with me. Now that you know the power of resistance training, let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can start today without feeling overwhelmed. Step 1. Start with body weight exercises. The best way to begin is by using your own body weight. These exercises are gentle on the joints, yet highly effective for rebuilding strength. Here are 2 to try. Chair squats. Stand up from a chair without using your hands. Slowly lower yourself back down and repeat. This strengthens your legs and improves balance. Wall push-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall, place your hands against it, and slowly lower yourself forward before pushing back. This builds upper body strength with zero strain on the joints. These movements wake up your muscles, improve circulation, and build a strong foundation before adding extra resistance. Step 2, gradually add light resistance. Once your muscles get used to bodyweight exercises, it's time to challenge them slightly more to keep growing. No need for fancy gym equipment, everyday items work just as well. Water bottles or canned goods. Use these as light weights for arm exercises. Resistance bands. These are great for gentle yet effective resistance training and can be adjusted for any strength level. Household items. A bag of rice, a small backpack with books, anything can become a resistance tool. Start with very light resistance and gradually increase it as you get stronger. The key is progress, not perfection. Step 3. Aim for 10-15 minutes daily. You don't need to spend hours exercising. Consistency is what matters most. Even 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference in your strength, energy, and mobility. Pick 2 or 3 exercises and do them every day. Increase repetitions slowly. Start with 5 reps per movement, then build up. Keep it fun. Listen to music or follow a short online routine to stay engaged. Step 4. Track your progress to stay motivated. Tracking your progress is a powerful motivator. When you see improvement, you'll want to keep going. Keep a simple journal. Write down how many reps you do each day. Notice daily activities. Does standing up feel easier? Are stairs less exhausting? That's progress. Celebrate small wins. Even tiny improvements mean your muscles are getting stronger. The key? Just start. Muscle strength doesn't vanish overnight, and it won't come back overnight either. But small efforts lead to big results. Even a few minutes of movement can transform how you feel. Now let's hear from you. What's one movement you feel has helped you stay strong? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. A lot of seniors believe that walking is enough to keep their muscles strong. And while walking is fantastic for heart health, mobility, and overall well-being, it's not enough to maintain or rebuild muscle mass. Here's why. Walking mainly engages your endurance muscles, the ones that help with stamina. But the muscles responsible for strength, balance, and stability need resistance to stay strong. Without it, they gradually shrink, making everyday activities like standing up, lifting objects, or even maintaining good posture more difficult. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who walks regularly but still struggles with weakness in their legs or arms? That's because muscle loss doesn't stop with movement alone. It needs strength-based resistance to fight back. The good news: you don't need to choose between walking and strength training. You just need to add a few simple resistance movements to your routine. Walking keeps your body moving. Resistance training keeps your muscles strong. And the best part? It doesn't take much. Just 10 minutes a day of resistance exercises can help you regain strength and feel more confident in your movements. Now that you know the one simple habit that can restore muscle strength, commit to trying it for just 1 week. See how your body responds. Feel the difference in your energy, strength, and mobility. Your future self will thank you. If this helped you, tap the like button so more people can find this information. Share this with a friend or family member who needs to hear it. And before you go, make sure to subscribe, because in my next video, I'll reveal the best anti-aging foods that keep muscles strong and fight weakness. You won't want to miss it.